I was diagnosed in 2000. I was 48 years old. I woke up, I couldn't see correctly, my eyes weren't tracking, and I couldn't walk. I worked for probably 4 years, and then the flares got pretty bad.
Misty has relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic inflammatory condition of the central nervous system, comprising of the optic nerves, the brain, and the spinal cord. Some of the most common symptoms may include sensory changes, vision loss, weakness, bowel or bladder dysfunction, depression, headaches, etc.
Before I was working with Dr. Leighton, I really was feeling very hopeless.
When I first met Misty, she actually had an unfortunate few years. We wanted to make sure that I can treat her MS, slow down or stop any progression of symptoms, and we tried a few different medications to help her have the energy to carry out her activities of everyday living.
I really like her as a person. It's not just the MS. She sees me.
I take pride in individualizing the care for each of my patients. I go extensively into what matters to them, what are their life circumstances, so that whatever treatments we decide on are the right ones for them. The treatment of MS has come a really long way. In the past 8 years, we've had an abundance of very effective, very tolerable medications that have come to market. It has revolutionized treatment of MS.
I'm feeling much better. I'm so much clearer than I was a year ago.
I've known Misty now for a little over 1 year. When we first met, she had all these symptoms. And fast forward now, we're on treatments, a good one that's effective. She tolerates, she has energy. She still has MS, she still has symptoms, but I think day to day, she's at a better place than she was before. When it comes to diagnosing MS, treating MS, caring for MS, it requires a team, a village. Here at Marcus Neuroscience Institute, we have that village to take care of our patients.
Dr. Leighton has really just changed my viewpoint, has really added such positivity to my life. I'm going to say she's the best doctor I've ever had.